We're here at Zach Rigo's house this afternoon to show you guys refraction in action in the form of spear fishing. Now I don't have a spear and that's not a fish, it's a water wing. Quit zooming in. I don't want a close-up. That's a water wing and I'm going to show you guys how light bends, and you have to compensate for that when you're aiming at something in the water to throw. Okay, so Zach, if you could please zoom in on the water wing, not my face. So right now I'm going to throw the spear straight at the water wing, and I'm not going to compensate for refraction. Okay, see, that was too high. When you compensate for refraction for something underwater, you have to aim under it. Now I'm going to wait. Now, I'm going to show you what happened underwater as the stick went into it. See, watch the stick bend. It bends, you guys. That's because of refraction. Alright, so next I'm going to throw the spear at the water wing and compensate for the refraction in the water. That didn't work very well. Like remember the turbo jab? Okay, no more. Oh, that was...
Yes, he hit it! Woo! Woo! Hold on, now you have to stand.
No, not like that. Slower.
Just do it.
Refraction in action.